The GoPro Hero 13 Black is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, offering improved video quality, enhanced stabilization, and a versatile ecosystem of accessories. While it may not boast groundbreaking innovations, the Hero 13 builds upon the strong foundation of its predecessors to deliver a well-rounded and capable action camera. Key features and improvements: enhanced video quality. The Hero 13 maintains its 5.3K resolution but offers improved low-light performance and a wider dynamic range. Superior stabilization. GoPro's Hyper-Smooth 6.0 stabilization system is even more effective, ensuring smooth footage even in the most challenging conditions. Versatile accessories. The Hero 13 is compatible with a range of new accessories, including magnetic mounts and a variety of lens mods, expanding its creative possibilities. Improved battery life. The camera's battery life has been extended, allowing for longer recording times without the need for frequent recharging. Areas for improvement. While the Hero 13 is a solid performer, there are a few areas where it could be further refined. Sensor size. While the sensor is capable, a larger sensor could improve low-light performance and image quality. Price. The Hero 13 is a premium product with a corresponding price tag. Some users may find it expensive compared to other options on the market. Overall, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, versatile, and high-quality action camera. Its combination of excellent video quality, advanced stabilization, and a wide range of accessories make it a top contender in its class.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.